Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 4th of April. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather windy and noticeably cooler today, and a freeze warning in effect for parts of North Alabama tomorrow morning. How about that? We could see another freeze by Sunday morning. Let's go in there and check it out. Very interesting active pattern as we typically see in early April. That's the upper air look, the wind flow at 500 millibars. Troughing digging down through the middle of the country, and that'll pull down some pretty cold air later today and tonight. There's the radar. The storms we had last night are well to the south early this morning. That was the radar at 514. Clouds early this morning will give way to a sunny sky today, but the day will be windy and cool. We are in the 40s and 50s over the northern half of the state. Haleyville down to 45. We'll expect the high today between 60 and 65 for most spots, and a strong northwest wind will make it feel colder. Around the nation, very cold air for early April. Up north, their temperatures are below zero in spots over Minnesota with a snow cover. And again, we do believe we go below freezing for many spots early tomorrow morning. In fact, we have a freeze warning for tomorrow morning from parts of Oklahoma all the way into the deep south. In Alabama, the freeze warning for early tomorrow morning includes Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, Huntsville, Jasper, Ashland, Lineville. But there could be some frost down below that, down as far south as Montgomery, so growers beware. Severe weather potential later today and tonight. There's a risk of severe storms on the Atlantic coast. Tomorrow, no severe weather is expected, but on day 3, which is Friday, there's a risk of severe storms west of the state, and we might see a strong storm late Friday night or Saturday morning, but for now the risk looks relatively low with the next cold front coming in. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Big amounts on the upper Pacific coast and on parts of the Atlantic coast as well. For Alabama, rain amounts generally between 1/2 and 1 inch for much of the state. So model fans, let's take a look. This is the GFS, the 06E run at 1 o'clock this afternoon, troughing over the eastern states. Rain well to the south and east. Today will be mostly sunny, windy, and cool. Again, the high between 60 and 65 with a very brisk northwest wind. Now, tomorrow morning, the wind goes calm. The sky will be clear. We're expecting lows in the low 30s in most spots. Colder pockets go in the 20s. So look out for freeze and a frost for many tomorrow morning. But the day will be sunny. We warm up nicely. The high should be around 70. Now, Friday, we'll see clouds increasing. The day should be dry. The high will be around 70. Rain breaks out to the west. Maybe some strong storms. This is Friday night, just after midnight. Rain advancing into the state. And look at the snow possibilities up north. For parts of southern Illinois, Indiana, maybe Kentucky. And then Saturday, this is suggesting that the better chance of rain for the state would be Saturday morning. And otherwise, the day would be very cool with temperatures only in the mid-50s with a brisk north wind. We'll check the European Saturday, and it's a tad slower. It's got rain a decent part of the day. Maybe some thunderstorms Saturday morning. But again, the instability values mainly down to the south. There's no instability for the northern part of the state. So there might be some strong storms late Friday night, Saturday morning for the southern half of the state. But Saturday looks cloudy, very cool, with rain especially during the morning. And we could stay in the low and mid-50s all day. It'll be pretty cold for April. But Sunday looks good. However, Sunday morning we could see another freeze. Both the GFS, the European, suggesting lows in the low 30s. Looks like another freeze warning will be needed. But then we warm up nicely. The high Sunday will likely be in the upper 60s, and the sky should be mostly sunny. The day will be dry. But Monday, here comes the next cold front with a round of rain and storms. Monday's high will be around 70. We'll watch for strong storm potential. Tuesday, the rain gone, another shot of colder air. And Wednesday, troughing moving away from us, and that's a pretty cold air mass, and we might see some frost Wednesday morning of next week. Old man winter just doesn't want to go away. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Friday the 13th. Troughing over the western states, and if that's right, we are dry and mild. Here are the numbers coming off the European. Note the 30s for tomorrow morning, and again, I think we'll be colder than 36. We're expecting upper 20s and low 30s. Sunday morning, another freeze likely. And then beyond that, we'll have to watch for Wednesday morning of next week. For now, the Europeans got 40, but don't be shocked if it turns out to be a bit colder. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.